gosh, guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are feeling good. Hope you're feeling well. I literally just right before starting this stream decided to exit out all of my trades. We waited too long. We were like, is it gonna bounce? Is it gonna bounce? Is it gonna recover? Is it gonna recover? And no, it's not. It just started to crush. It basically we drew this box here. We were like, oh damn it, it's gonna hit that probably that capitulation low here, 80,005. Oh, so it's possible that they're just gonna dump it right into this range. But we just closed all the trades. I mean, we did it. We closed the trades. And we still solidified some profit today. We could have solidified a lot more, but we were just not quick enough, and we were a little overconfident. We saw how the market was opening with the CPI data, had the CPI data come out, and we're going to explain kind of how this even correlates and affects the markets in general if the rates, or if the CPI data comes out to be higher than expected, then could, trigger a sell-off. But then also the data came out bullish, and it came out relatively bullish, and we're getting massive market volatility in Bitcoin, even with all of the bullish news that is breaking with Bitcoin as well. So it's just crazy. So this is why the market has just been so confused as to how to react with bullish news, because when there's bullish news, the market dumps, and we're like, what? We're like, what is going on? So it's just I get why you would be frustrated. As like, what the hell? Like it's bullish, but we're dumping. Does that mean there's just market manipulations from these exchanges, these market makers? Like they're like, hey, we think traders are going to be bullish and try and go long on this news, and maybe we just have to now switch our psychology and be like, all right, there's probably going to be a quick reaction, and then they're just going to dump on our heads. So that's what we exited out of the trades. We preserved capital, so we still made out with we made out like a bandit, but not as much as a bandit as we want it to be. We're going to see how low this thing can go. We're not getting into any shorts. We're going to just hold the line. We're going to chill. We see that the price broke down off of the 200-day moving average. So if you're looking at the 4-hour, you can kind of see where we bounced really nice off of the 76. We completed going through this range from here to here, past 80. Past this 80,000, okay? And guys, welcome. Thank you for coming. Shout out to the Piper Academy. Shout out to all of the people that are watching. Thank you so much. And shout out to Randy. I was watching Randy's stream, Randy Hipper, earlier, and she was just giving shout outs to all of the channels, and she really does a good job of supporting other people in the crypto space, and we just want to give a shout out to Randy. We've had Randy on the channel before. We had her actually on a live stream and did a little interview and picked her brain, and it was actually one of the more fun interviews that we've done on the channel. So yeah, shout out to Randy, and we're gonna get Piper on here very soon, and vice versa, so we can do some cross collaborations, because like Randy said, and made a good point, we're all we all should be friends here. It's not a competition, There's other people that have, more subscribers or less subscribers, or they maybe make way better videos than you. Maybe they actually spend more time on editing and just like crush it out of the park with editing. And hey, that's your opportunity, my opportunity to get better. That's the only way. We can just build each other up. We can, instead of being jealous, we can be like, hey, that's awesome. I'm going to make my channel better, So we want to just give a shout out to the overall crypto community for you guys just being here, being bullish, and just, tuning in, checking out all this macro data, and just having some fun. That's what we have to do. We also got to have some fun. And oh my gosh, it's breaking through. Lord. Oh man, that was a bull trap. They were like, let's give them some bullish data and then dump on their heads. Oh no. But luckily we have capital preserved, so we can go right back into the market. And I think you know, if we can get a bounce point, we'll see how we are doing. But we're going to just hold the line. You know, the thing is like you don't have to trade every day. So we're going to try and give you guys some nuggets here, is that, you know, even just this morning, we could have just exited out completely at the peak of what our profits were. We kind of missed out on $200. Might not be big money for someone else, but in the moment of just the day, that's $200. So instead of coming out with 200, we came out with, you know, we did take profits this morning. If we go back into the trades, let's look at the trades. Let's look at actual trade history, and maybe we can show you a little bit more data of what we actually did. Just you don't have to trade every day. Maybe you can just take it easy. You know, you can take it easy. You can let the market just kind of come to you. Let the market come to you. Let me go to, I have to go to my account real quick. Let's go to futures, and let's see if we can get some of the orders, because I want to see this. We should pull this up. I don't know if I'll be able to get the exact orders up from this. Oh, here it is. Order center and position history. Okay. So you can see here. All right, cool. All right, so you can see here the position history. We had to close the ETH trade because we were like, all right, can ETH pump? Nope. It looked like crap. So we had to close that. We opened a Bitcoin trade back in at 81, and this was basically kind of almost in the middle of it was in the middle of the night, or this morning, early this morning. We woke up at 3 a.m. Had to go to the bathroom. I was like, I might as well just check the trades. They got stopped out, so then I had an opportunity to go back in. And a lot of the times there's trading action in those wee hours of the morning. And that's what actually got me the momentum to kind of build back up into some liquidity. And so we started to kind of, you know, take some profits this morning. As you can see here, took a little bit of profits, but then ultimately, as you can see, we didn't come out super strong with getting the max profits of what we had in front of us this morning. So, but it's just another lesson of not getting too greedy. The moment you start to get greedy, and you're thinking, oh, this could keep running, I mean, you're leaving money on the table. So it was kind of like we let it sit there for a little too long, and then the wind started blowing, and then we ran back and grabbed. So that's kind of what happened. That's what happened. But we're gonna hold the line. We're gonna keep looking at these prices. We're gonna say, okay, look, if it smacked right into that box, is this gonna be the bounce point? Are they going to really send us into this level, which would be just that 80,003, or this particular candle right here where we just bounced off of, which was that 79,000. Just have to see. This is the 45-minute chart. You can see here how we kind of just fell off the 200-day moving average. We were not able to hold it. That was what I was hoping, was we could just hold it. We were just there. We were literally just there, right on it, and we couldn't hold it. So could this be the bounce point? I don't know if there's enough volume to really, yeah. First we gonna dump, then we gonna pump. Just like old Jason Casper, just like our Casper boy. All right, so I'm wondering if we can go back in. All right, 81.1. Did we already miss the low? Or are we going to get smashed? I'm willing to put some money on the line here, but I don't want to get smashed because we got some high value nodes here. If you're looking at a fixed range, but we could just be getting faked. So we have to watch out. It could just keep sliding down, hit that level, hit this level right here, and then we can bounce, because this could be some decent support right here. That's why I have this marked 80,300. It's right there in these little spots. You can see he's had some momentum here. Oh, hold on. Oh, sorry. Oh, I did. Oh, I'm just looking at the chat. I'm looking at the chat. Oh, now I see it. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry, Barmy Piper. Shows how much I pay attention. Let me go to the chat. Dear Lord, thank you so much. So stay true to the alpha. Don't sell hopium that gets people wrecked. My only requirement to get my support. 100%. Yeah, I try not to. Yeah, I do my best. I try not to get people too falsely bullish. I tell you how it is. I'm like, look, this is how the market is looking. It's kind of looking bullish to me. I'll show you the levels. I'm like, hey, I'll give you the bullish scenario. I'll give you the bearish scenario. And then it's up to you to decide like, hey, I'm going to also kind of, I might see it bullish. I might see it bearish. And we're just kind of looking at ranges really. You know, when we're looking at the short-term price here, we're just looking at ranges, like possible ranges where we could bounce, you know. So I have half a screen. No, I do have two screens. I have this chat window up here, so sometimes if I'm not paying attention to the actual chat window that's on the side, then I freaking look right past it. Man, okay, so here's some breaking news. This is what's so crazy is that even though we have all this bullish news, the price is doing what it's doing. So I think we're just kind of the market makers and the exchanges, you know, they're doing their thing. They're doing their thing. All right, so this is really interesting. Because of this ETH liquidation, we had this big ETH whale get liquidated for a lot of money. I don't remember exactly how much, but it was a lot. And so regarding commentary and questions on the ETH user's ETH long, to be clear, there was no protocol exploit or hack. The user had unrealized P&L, withdrew, which lowered their margin, and then they were liquidated. So, and this was on Hyperliquid, so they ended with 1.8 mil in P&L and lost about 4 million over the past 24 hours. Interesting. And then Michael Saylor, 20 hours ago, this was yesterday, yeah, just a day or two ago, was saying big things are coming. Big things are coming. He was like, by the way, the big dump. Forgot to say it was kind of big dump and then a pump. Maybe that's what he meant to say. But then we have Rumble acquires 188 Bitcoin. So that's bullish. Breaking news 35 minutes ago. So Rumble streaming platform, as you guys know, has invested 17 million in Bitcoin, acquiring 188 Bitcoins at an average price of $91,000 each. So I mean, they're buying at 91. It's kind of like Michael Saylor's buying all the tops. This purchase is part of Rumble's strategy to diversify its treasury reserves with cryptocurrency, following an earlier announcement to potentially invest up to $20 million in Bitcoin. So they're already there. Pretty damn close. So the acquisition has been noted as a significant move in the trend of corporate adoption of cryptocurrencies. So this is just another signal for companies and even smaller companies to start using Bitcoin as a type of treasury. And that is also just going to kind of send the sentiment through businesses that it could be maybe even just a sliver of the treasury or your savings or whatever it may be. Because if you're a small business and you're thinking about your cash reserves and you're thinking, okay, how do I still maintain profitability and also be able to, like, how do I actually grow the business and make sure it doesn't go bankrupt just from even just the purchasing power of the dollar itself? Well, I guess as a business, you'd have to invest, right? You'd have to find some way to also be profitable, but then also your cash reserves to be protected. So could that be Bitcoin? Well, I mean, we just gotta, the countries are practicing this now. They are talking about actually doing this as the strategy. As simple as that. How do we protect the the reserve or and the purchasing power of the dollar, and also curve inflation by investing in things like Bitcoin. Could be. Got to see the strength of the dollar go down, though. Still, got to see the Dixie go down. You know, we it's funny that we want that to happen, but if we get down into these levels right here, then that could signal us going to... Are we getting a bounce? Are we getting a damn bounce? Oh my gosh, we're missing entries. We missed the entry. We might FOMO into the entry because we were thinking if that's going to be the bounce level, that was it. And we just got faked out. But that's okay. We're willing to test the waters here. We're going right back into the trade salvage we're just in. We got scared. We didn't want to get liquidated. Totally irresponsible what we're doing right now, because that could also not be the bounce point. Could just be the fake out point, and then they just send it right down here. So let's see what happens. Oh, let's see. Yeah, because it looks like it just got a little oversold, like super quick. It was just like that was way too much of a sell-off for no reason. Like, why was that even triggered? Why was that sell-off even triggered besides it being a manipulation trigger? Possibly. Oh no, it is no, that's not. It's a fake. It's gonna be a fake out. Oh no, it's a fake out. They're gonna bring it down to the level. Oh my gosh. Yep. Nope. I gotta stop. Yep. Nope. I gotta stop. I gotta get out. I gotta not be an idiot. Nope. I don't even care. Yep. Nope. I'm waiting. Absolutely not. Nope. I'm just going to wait. Yeah. I think that's the play. Yeah. Just wait. Don't have to trade today. That's probably the play. It's probably here's the lesson, guys. Here's the biggest lesson. You don't have to trade. Just stop. And what is up with this? I am curious. Do you guys know anything about Pi Network? Why is this thing doing well? I know people are mining it. I guess you can mine it on the mobile device. But I'm very curious. Not curious enough to buy it. Oh yeah. Stop, get some help. Well, I guess what made me close those trades just now, because that was just I don't know. I think these were just fakes. These were just fake green candles. And it looks like more of a case that they're just going to bring it right into these levels where we were just at not that long ago, which could be that 79. Even with bullish news, we got all the, acquiring acquisitions from, these companies, but here's the thing, the ETFs, they sold off like pretty heavy yesterday and the day before. Past 3 days, it's been pretty hefty sell-off on the ETFs. So they're offloading more so than running it up. In terms of the ETFs, at least. see. Yeah, it's looking, the Bitcoin, it was looking good, and then it just kind of started looking like garbage. It was looking good, like it looked like it was going to hold the 200 SMA, the 200-day moving average here. That was kind of what we were watching. That was just the main trigger here. We wanted to just watch the 200-day moving average. It didn't really stay there for too long, which is kind of a bearish signal. Short-term pop. Yeah, so Army Piper saying the past 7 days, over 12,000 BTC was sold off versus buys. So on the date, all right, so 300 SMA close is sitting at $65,000. So is that what you're saying? Where we could be potentially heading is in that range right here because of this little range right here. It could make sense. Yeah, so that would kind of be that would be a potential stopping point. Yeah. But it is doing some funky stuff right now, guys. I will tell you, it is doing some funky stuff. I appreciate you guys watching this with me. Yeah, so this is kind of what happened. So volatility around the CPI release. CPI data releases are high impact events that often spark immediate volatility in crypto markets. Traders react quickly to the numbers, adjusting positions based on whether the data aligns with or exceeds or falls below forecasts of the expectation. For instance, a surprise CPI spike might trigger a rapid sell-off, while an unexpected low reading could ignite a rally. It kind of ignited a small rally, but then it immediately triggered a sell-off. So pretty interesting. below expectations, which it was. Market scenarios could spark a bullish move, especially if it strengthens bets on Fed rate cut. And then we've kind of talked about how that obviously the QE combination is going to be one of the bullish catalysts that will make the markets go more risk on and not be more stables into stables or cash. So I think maybe what's happening right now is that people are more in stables and cash and not full on risk on, and could be why markets aren't sustaining any type of actual rally right now, a true rally. Like when we start to run, we're not running. We're just like hitting levels and getting smacked off of resistance and just kind of getting chopped, just getting chopped up in these ranges. You can see here. Yeah, it's like it's like what ends up happening here is like like it's weird, we get the bullish setup of news, but the price is not really reacting as what we would really truly think of like some of these news events. It's just kind of like ends up being a nothing burger of fake pumps and manipulation, and then it just kind of goes nowhere. So just at this point, we got to just wait and see. We got to see how this is going to play out. We really just have to see how it plays out. Let's see what else. Yeah, Trump is pumping Tesla. So that has been a recent news. Trump ordered a brand new Tesla to the White House. So let's watch this.
Hi. And I'm going to buy because, number one, it's a great product, as good as it gets. And number two, because this man has devoted his energy and his life to doing this. I think he's been treated very unfairly by a very small group of people. And I just want people to know that you can't be penalized for being a patriot. And he's a great patriot. And he's also done an incredible job with Tesla. And I mean, nobody else has a car company started up in the last 30 years that's been successful. I don't think so. And not only successful, but super successful. And because he's able to find billions and billions and billions of dollars of fraud and waste and all of the things. I mean, our country is going to be very strong very soon because of a lot of the things that he's done and a lot of the things that I'm doing. And there's no better team, but there's no better for what we're doing. There's nobody like this, and he shouldn't be penalized. And when I watched the other day, I said, I can't believe it. It should be the opposite. People should be going wild, and they love the product, but because he's finding all sorts of terrible things that have taken place against our country, they want to penalize him in an economic sense. And I just think that's very unfair. So I just wanted to make a statement. I'm going to buy one. Now, here's the bad news. I'm not allowed to drive because I haven't driven a car in a long time, and I love to drive cars. But I'm going to have it at the White House, and I'm going to let my staff use it. I'm going to let people at the place use it, and they all are all excited about it.
That's funny because I thought the same thing. I was like, he's buying a Tesla, but he's not going to be able to drive it. Yeah, he's not going to be able to drive it, but that's cool. He's like, yeah, all the White House people in the White House will be able to drive it. They'll be able to drive it around the veranda of the White House lawn, and they'll be very successful. They might even have to drive it themselves because the car it drives itself. So it's going to be very successful. Yeah. So yeah, Elon has been, if you guys have seen in the news, a lot of the, places where Teslas are sitting are being attacked. Like there's this kind of seems like to be coordinated attacks on Elon. And he's also like getting death threats and stuff like that. So, I mean, he's putting himself at risk. So anyone saying that he's trying to do it for, some just for money means or power, or, I mean, he's technically risking his life now working with the president. So he's taking a massive risk. So if he's willing to take this massive risk like this, like you don't do that just for like, I don't know. If you're willing to take the risk like that, then there's something more underlining that he's doing it for more of like a, probably more of a more personal reason, maybe he truly has become just more patriotic and American, and he's like, look, I don't know what better way than I could just like work alongside the president. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if all the promises are kept. Let's see if we can get some massive checks from Doge sent to the American people, and we all just degen it into the crypto market. We'll learn our lesson this time, because if we get the stimulus checks this time, it's not going to be to survive COVID. It's going to degen it into the market. That's what we're going to do. I know that's what I'm going to do. Moment I get a Doge check, it's going right to, I'm going to literally chuck it, truck load it up into the market. All right, guys, what do you think? You think this action right here is worth believing? Or are we going lower? That was a pretty nasty wick bounce right there. We kind of were calling that, and we should have just stuck with it. We're like, look, that was the bounce. Oh, man. But yeah, it's gonna be tough to not want to trade the volatility today. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be a little tough. Just a bit tough. Well, I hope you guys are feeling good. I hope you're feeling well. Man, we're really we were flopping and groping. We were just flopping and groping, flopping around and groping. Woo! Oh, that was nasty. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that nonsense. Well, let's see what's performing well. All right, Tesla's up. All right, Tesla's up 6%, Nvidia up 5%. If you're looking at the stock market, stock market kind of, not doing too bad. Robinhood up 3%. Zeus up 3%. Solana Bitcoin Protocol. Let's see. AVAX. AVAX is still really cheap. Alex Becker made a good point. He was like, look, it could just do the boring thing and it'd be so easy just to buy these coins like this that we've known from the last cycle have done pretty decent. I mean, you could do like AVAX and Litecoin and little Cardano, just kind of, Chainlink. You could go down and just like the top 20 coins. Be as easy as just getting like a 5 to 10x on DCAing into these at these lows and just having a little bit of patience instead of trying to trade the market. Where was that post? We reposted it. We just had to hold the 200 moving average for Bitcoin and we can go. We did not hold it. We did not hold it. Yeah, he said, you have it so easy right now. In a bull, you have to buy high risk, low caps, new coins to make 10x's. Right now at these prices, you could just buy leading clear winner long-term hold coins and make 10x's. And he said it's basically like easy mode. And a lot of people don't really like those posts from Becker where he's just telling you the boring easy thing. He's like, look, I mean, you really could make it that easy. But what it requires is some patience, and not that it means like you hold it to the ground and you round trip it, but you have to buy when it's low like this, and then manage to not round trip it or sell too late, too early. No one's going to know when the run is over, or when it's or when it's even going to start at this point. So we're all kind of in this together. We're all just as clueless as the next guy when the bull run will be over, and you had either missed your chances on taking profits, and then you have to wait another cycle to successfully go back into the market. And then we were like 81 moment. Man, it could be rallying back up just from that bounce point. It could be rallying up from that bounce point. It is possible. What do you guys think? You think we're going to get back up into that 200-day moving average? That's what we were hoping. It's just right there. I mean, it had a chance. It had a chance. Or is it going to be fake out city? Let me know. In the meantime, check out all the links in the description. Smash up the like. We're getting a little distracted with these trades, I'll tell you what. We were getting a little distracted, and we literally right before the stream started, we had to just kind of pull the cord. We had to pull the cord. Never fun when you feel like you have to do that. Guys, make sure you're in the Discord. You'll get the YouTube updates here as well. You'll get the gas prices. You'll get the ETH and BTC prices, any announcements and important things you need to know about. Also, you can come and hang out in the chat. You can see my latte art. I'm always gonna post one if I do a decent one. So we got a heart there. Little kind of Rosetta deal. This is what we were hoping. This is what we're gonna have to pump it up. Pump it. Kind of looks like the chart. Is that the chart structure that we're in right now? Basically, it's like the exact same chart structure from this picture. If you look at this picture real close, it's exactly how it's sitting. It's like had these red candles, and then we're just like, come on. Like, let's go. I feel like there's some decent action up there, though. There's also a big sell order. Like, a whale would love to sell some Bitcoin up here at 84 or 85, like right at 85K. They could push it up to 85K. There is a big buy order at 79, so let's see, like 79.9, like right there. That was a buy order that looked like it was almost close to getting hit. It was pretty damn close. We could get a short-term rally back up into the 200-day moving average and smack into 85, fill this whale order on Binance to sell. I don't know, but we've just missed we've missed the entry. We fully missed the entry, I guess, if you were just trying to scalp what's happening right now. We totally missed it. You know what? We still got the trading hours. We still got... All right, what we're going to do, how about this? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to set a rule right now, okay? We are going to, from now until about 4 o'clock, right at 4 o'clock, I don't care what trades are open, we're going to close them. So by whatever trades we put in from now until 4 o'clock, whatever we end at 4 o'clock, we will exit out of the trades. Okay? That's what we're going to do. How does that sound, guys? Does that sound good? Does that sound like a plan? Yeah, we're going to do that. So we know we kind of feel that could be a smart move, but or it'll be dumb. You'll see it live. We're going into the exact trades that we were wanting to kind of see here. And we know that Doge is actually was looking really, really good. We're not really understanding why particularly that Doge isn't just kind of cranking right now. But we're going to go back in here. Yeah, if I would have just calculated this out a little bit better, knowing that this was the range, and if we were going to bounce, then dang, that was it. That was it right there. That was it. Those were the entries. I missed them. It's okay. It's okay. Missed them a little bit, but I guess you got to be quick. You have to be quick because the stuff will wick. The wick is quick. I guess that's the term, right? The wick is quick, because that was a quick one. All right, do we want the pump and dump song? I don't know. I can't plagiarize Casper here. What's this mute? Yeah, we need the pump song right now. All right, baby. Stop loss. There is no stop loss. That was the funniest thing I think I've ever heard Casper say. That got me rolling.
It's gonna dump, then we gonna pump. It's gonna dump, then we gonna pump. It's gonna dump, then we gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go.
Shout out to Jason Casper. Shout out to the Casper crew. I might be the only streamer that will dare do a Jason Casper. And then you should come in with the freestyle. He's like, yo, BTC price the wick is quick. I cannot freestyle at all. Absolutely not. So that's not happening. There will be no freestyling from me. I can play the drums. I'm a musician. I'm pretty good at, doing that, but I can sing, but rap or freestyle? Nope. Can't do that. All right, so we gotta get some pump action. Are we gonna get the pump? Let's do it. You guys gotta smash up the likes too, please. Smash up the likes. But you gotta sing it with me.
It's gonna dump, then we gonna pump.
Give me your best whisper scream.
Yo.
Oh, it gave us a little bit. It gave us something. It's giving us something. It works sometimes. The pump song works sometimes.
It's gonna dump, then it's gonna pop. It's gonna dump, then it's gonna pop. Then it's gonna...
Where's Jason Casper when you need him? He's probably streaming right now. That's actually... Let's check and see who's streaming right now. Let's check the market pulse. Let's check the market pulse. Who is streaming? We got Crypto Blood is streaming. We got the BitLab Academy, Kelly Kellum in the building. We got Crypto Banter Plus, Crypto Banter Plus, Crypto Lifer. I guess the Moon Show just ended about 6 minutes ago. Then we had Discover Crypto was just streaming. We got AJ streaming right now. Shout out to AJ. We got AJ and Jade Chains at the same time. At the same time. The same time? You two? Oh my gosh.
You want that?
And also, guys, let's appreciate locally, Bitcoin still in that uptrend, and then if we appreciate, even...
Isn't it just so crazy? When in doubt, just zoom it out.
We're still in this uptrend, it's pretty obvious.
And that's since 2014, right?
Yeah, that's since the bottom in August. Yeah, February 2015.
15.
Yep. But yeah, I mean, guys, that's the story, And so I would say that the biggest alarm in crypto is on Bitcoin. Let me zoom in on the daily to get the exact level for you guys. The biggest level in crypto, for sure. Where is it? It's right there. I would say...
Let's see what he thinks is the biggest level.
73,986.
And so the importance of this level is if we lose it...
73,000. So he's saying 73,000. Here's where I have it marked. 69. We had it on the Bitstamp chart. 69, 73. I would imagine why he would be looking at that 73 area. 73. Here is it's 74, 70. Look, these are where the wicks are. This is where we kind of had price consolidation, kind of support here, 75, 74. It's kind of all in this area. Like, this is kind of a range that the market was kind of like, all right, let's see what happens here. But look, we filled the gap in the CME gap. We did fill the gap. That was the gap that was filled. Here's that other price consolidation area. We bounced off of here. So, could we go lower? Yes, we could. Absolutely. We could absolutely go lower. Do we want to? No. Can the bulls gain control? I don't know. I really hope so. I need a market pulse from you guys. What do you think? What do you think? I don't want to feel like I'm talking to myself here. So I don't go crazy. While everyone else is going crazy. First, I need you guys to get the likes up to 20 likes. So if you haven't hit the like button yet, if you're watching on the TV, up, right, select on your remote. That's actually how you hit the like button. That is the up, right, select cheat code. That's for the right, left uppercut. The Dano Dojo combo, what we call it in the Discord. Dano Dojo combo. Up, right, select. Up, right, select AABB. Up, right, select AABB. Punch, kick. Let's hope we don't get punch, kicked in the market today. We had a massive opportunity to take way more profits earlier this morning. And we let the greed set in. All right, so I'll tell you guys a little trading trick. If you want to be just a little bit more aggressive in your trades, you could say, okay, all right, I got my entry. Now I'm in profit. So say you're in profit, and then you're up 50% on the trade. Maybe you're up 100. Maybe you're up 2x. At that moment, you have a choice to make. You can say, okay, I'm going to shave off 50% of the trade right now and then move my stop loss to break even. And then you can even move the stop loss to in profit as well at the 25% drawdown mark. You could do that as well. And then you could go as far as, hey, like I'm going to set my stop loss. If you don't know exactly where the market's going, the market turns on you, then you can set the stop loss at like a 30%, 20%, whatever it may be. But then you will be then taking a loss, but you won't be fully liquidated. So you can do both of those strategies, and it all depends on how your entries are. If your entries are solid enough to where the market is going to sustain a little bit more of a move to the upside, which is kind of not happening right now. It's doing some stupid stuff. Then you can adjust, set the stop losses, and then there you go. But when you have a crap market, it's going to be a little tricky. You're just going to have to really be aggressive. You just have to be a lot more aggressive. It's just a journey. We're just a journey back to 100K. Like, we just got to have a journey back to 100K, and it's going to be it's going to be painful. It's just a little painful right now trying to have that journey back to 100K. 100K. Ivan 100K song. We need the Ivan 100K song right now. That's what we need. Maybe that's what we need to really truly rally the market back up. We need the 100K Ivan Bitcoin.
100K, 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 100K.
Can we just get back? Let's go. Okay. 100K. Do we want it bad enough? Do we want it? All right, did we get the stream up to 20? No. Oh, man. Oh, it worked. It worked, guys. See, when you just play certain songs, it works. It totally works. All right, guys. Well, we've been streaming for about an hour so far. We really appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll go to the section of what I have been buying or what I've just have in my portfolio, kind of what I've DCA'd. Let's go to the portfolio. Oh, I'm not signed in. I've been buying Dogecoin, DCA and Bitcoin. I actually bought a little XRP, surprisingly. Pepe. I've bought some ticker Bitcoin. I want to buy some more of the Me token, the Medieval Empires token, because I think when we have like that little gaming bull run that we're expecting, we're all expecting another little surgence of gaming coins. I feel like it's bound to happen, kind of like it did in 2021, little resurgence of gaming bullishness. And this could be one of those tokens that just kind of flies, and it did really well during both of these gaming runs in 2023, also in 2024 in April. And this was kind of when all of the other altcoins and things were in its little mini altcoin season, little pump. And you can see this, like, boom, it was just like breaking all-time highs. Almost got to 3 cents. So this is kind of why we're watching this particular token, but there's a lot of other bullish gaming tokens and gaming ecosystem tokens and things like that I think is probably way better buy than the AI agent narrative. It's like a lot of that's just kind of vaporware stuff, and it's like it's not really doing actually anything, or these AI tokens or AI created tokens. I feel like the gaming tokens might kind of have a resurgence. Could be wrong, but it's pretty high chance. And actually, Medieval Empires is a fun game. It's actually a pretty easy playable game. when it comes to like crypto games. They're partnered up with Immutable X, which then when you look at that token, that could be another, bullish token. IMX. And then I think they just partnered up with Superverse too. So medieval. Yeah, I think they just announced a partner up with Superverse. Yeah, it's making Web3 gaming smooth by simplifying their marketplace experience. Now players can buy items using Me and Super. So they're adding $250 worth of Me tokens to the planet, blah, 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 prize pool. Nice. Okay, so that's huge. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, so that's really cool. So that's a big partnership. We got to repost that. That's awesome. Yeah, so Frank Pizzo said, just subscribe. You just subscribed? Well, let's go, baby. We're just checking out, talking about the Medieval Empire's announcement with Super. Yeah, Superverse. Let's see. Superverse right now was probably down like a lot of the gaming stuff. Like I would imagine most of the gaming ecosystem is just kind of like people kind of just kind of forgot about it. They're like it was like we had some bullishness obviously like in 2023, 2020, like 2021 right here in this area. And then we had like we said, we have our little altcoin season, and it ran into gaming coins and DeFi and memes. And that was kind of where a lot of the market liquidity was. It's still up here. It's still range. So it's like it broke into close to where its all-time highs were from the previous bull run in 2021, kind of like in these November highs. Got pretty close to the November highs. Are you guys fighting in the chat? I can't have another group of people fight. The other day, Batman and the Joker were fighting in the chat. By Joker, I mean headband. Headband high. Oh. I don't know why you guys don't like each other, but maybe you get to guess you're like like I thought I never told you to come around here. You're like, why I oughta? Thought I never told you to show your face around here. Oh, your brothers. Oh, okay. So you actually know each other. Okay. Awesome. Cool. Well, thanks for coming in. We appreciate it. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for being a supporter of the channel and a supporter of crypto. When you talk about crypto to people in public, they're like, oh. They're like, oh, you invest in crypto. Yeah, we got to be nice to each other. We especially have to be nice to each other in crypto because we go through so much emotional turmoil that, like, if we turn on ourselves, if we turn on each other, it's over. Like, if market sentiment gets so bad that we turn on ourselves, like when we turn on ourselves and each other, and we become, tribes of attacking tribes, like it's like it's got to be like Avatar, we gotta get the tribes together, not fight. We have to say, look, we have these freaking people trying to destroy our planet. We got to band together. You get what I'm saying? Dances with Wolves. All right, I'll stop. Kevin Costner. Come on, Kevin Costner. Eric Kevin Costner. You hear what I'm saying, Eric? I really hope you guys get what I'm talking about with the hey, Kevin Costner. Eric. Who did he play? Okay. Let's see. Are we getting the bounce? Is the bounce real? Is the bounce real? Is it fake? Is it real? Will we ever know? Yes, it might be real. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Are they swooping us now into the 200-day again? Hallelujah. They might do ya. No, it's this movie. Kevin Costner, he was like playing a boss, like a something. He was playing. God, what was he playing? He was playing. I don't know. He was playing like a. Was it the Kennedys or something? I don't freaking remember. But he talked like this. I don't know, guys. Once I start getting past the hour point, buckle up. Want to remind you guys that we do have a merch section. Not that merch section. That's a really old merch section. Go to danocrypto.com and click on Dano Crypto at the top section, and you can see we got some pretty dope merch here. You can get the Buff Doge coffee mug, the Bean Coin coffee mug, and if you want to be a part of the Bean Coin street team, then get some stickers, wear the shirt, go around your town, and do the old school thing like we used to do in the early 2000s before hardcore shows. You put the sticker on the pole, and there you go. So yeah, become part of the street team. Won't you? And then run fast, just like Sonic. And know that the ticker's always there getting thicker.
This token is the end game. It's the shitcoin of shitcoin. I mean, imagine telling your coworker you're quitting because Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic 10, and you coin. Boom! Imagine the media reporting on Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic 10, and you. Ticker is Bitcoin, breaking 1 billion market cap. Now, unless you hate money, go ahead and visit
hposni.com.
Yeah, I love that. That's really old. That's old, some old lore right there. That is from God, when is that from? Man, that is from like 2019 or 20 or something like that. Or 2021. It's really old. Love it. Ultimate lore. So a $1 billion market cap. Well, we haven't been able to surpass the $5 million market cap yet. This is just the holding of the egregore. Like you just have to believe in something, and if you're gonna pick a community coin of a meme, why not pick the only one that is named Bitcoin that has been able to survive all that? You know, the meme noise. I'll choose this one because this one just has all the combos of just the things like if you're gonna say like I'm holding a meme coin and get laughed at, I'll get laughed at all day for this one. You know? I'll get laughed at all day for this one. What's a coin that you'll have no shame in holding? This is the one. Cuz it's just funny saying it to people when I wear the shirt around and they're like, "Oh, what is that shirt? The shirt's awesome." I'm like, "Well, it's Harry Potter Obama Sonic 10 Inu." And they're like, "What?" And I'm like, "But the ticker is Bitcoin." And they're like, "What do you mean by ticker?" And I'm like, "Oh gosh, we got a long way to go." I'm like, every time I talk to people about crypto, they don't know what the hell I'm talking about. We're so damn early. It's unacceptable. It's actually absolutely unacceptable how early we are. They're like, "What do you mean by the ticker?" They're like, "Ticker? I barely know her." And then you're like, "Okay, we need to have a talk. You got to start somewhere." We have to start somewhere. Well, look at that, guys. We got faked out. Damn. Oh my gosh. Look at this.
Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say. It's going to the moon.
You'll be so tired of winning. You'll say, "Mr. President, I'd stop. I don't want to win anymore. It's too much winning."
Bitcoin will be
We'll say, "Mr. President, I can't stand it anymore. I don't want to win anymore."
Shout out to Crown Chakra.
Little trade another day.
And you know what? If it doesn't happen, and for some reason the charts change,
Little trade another day.
and tomorrow I'm the biggest bear out there,
So be it.
You win some, you lose some. But you little trade.
Turn the volume up
another day.
really loud.
Little make
You're in your
another
car.
play. You
Roll the
win
windows
some,
down and scream
you lose
Bitcoin
some.
on top
But
of your
you
lungs.
little trade another day. Little make another play. Little trade another day. Little trade another day. Little make another play. Win some, you lose some. But you little trade another day. Little make another play. Scared money don't make no money. 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 You win some, you lose some. But you little trade another day. Little make another play. Is it the bottom yet? I'm trying to buy up everything. Not gonna get upset. Just pull the trigger, let it bang. When I see a trade, I'm hopping in like a Uber to secure my future. Up early just like a rooster. Eyes glued to the computer, looking for a bag or two. Market cipher on the screen, compliments of trading view. Now I know what I'ma do. Buy low and sell high. Even if you try and fail, at least you didn't fail to try. I don't wanna be the type of guy that let fear win. I'm the one that dive in head first and bust my chin. I know FOMO is a no-no, but I still get it in. Now I can't predict the future, but I know I'm bound to win. Later or sooner, I'll be the big kahuna. Cause I got big kahunas. I was not scared to get money, I took me some chances and now I'm the big kahuna. And if you scared, might as well get neuter. I'ma keep chasing my dreams. Wake up in mansion so big, I need a segue to get from wing to wing. Scared money don't make no money. 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 You win some, you lose some. But you live to trade another day. Live to make another play. Scared money don't make no money. 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 You win some, you lose some. But you live to trade another day. Live to make another play. Don't be scared, G. Like paid in full, get your bread, B. Cold wallet full of crypto, yeah. Big Lebowski. Can't forget to tip the waitress. Fur and loathing in Las Vegas. Tupac told us about the changes. People hating on your greatness. Mansion looking hella spacious. Shoes, they ain't got no laces. This the Aquarius age. Life happen in different phases. Out with money, in with crypto. Analog to digital. Could've been rich, but you was scared. What a imbecile. Say you want a miracle, but you bet the minimal. Should've bet it all. Hell no, not the unthinkable. Grow some balls if you got a pair. Man, I double dare you to put it all in the market. No sir, I'm not trying to scare you. Seeking and searching, I need some more money. AI is scary, make us look like dummies. Serious about profit, I need it, I'm hungry. My music all over, but I'm from the country. Bank account thicker than Manuka honey. Got multiple wallets, don't go in my pocket. Either's a favorite, but I don't discriminate. Scared to get money, get the hell up out my face. You win some, you lose some. But you live to trade another day. Live to make another play. You win some, you lose some. But you live to trade another day. Live to make another play. Win some, another day. You lose some. Another play. Live to trade another day. Live to make another play. Win some, another day. You lose some. Another play. Live to trade another. Live to trade another day. Scared money don't make no money. 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 You win some, you lose some. But you live to trade another day. Live to make another play. Live to trade another day. Live to trade another. Live to trade another. Live to trade another day. Live to trade another. Live to trade another day. Another day. You scared. You scared.
Okay, I'm starting to see something here on the cipher. If you're looking at the cipher here, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Look at the move that happened here. That was literally just exactly where we bounced off of on the box, okay? Off that box we drew earlier in the stream. Now, momentum waved up here into that line, into that trend line here, 94. Also pushed through 86 from there. And look at the curvature. Okay. Could we be eyeing a similar level right here from this point? I don't know what we just did. What just happened? Okay. Do you get what I'm seeing here? Do you see what I'm seeing? Do you see what I see? We're going crazy. All right, but yeah, do you see what I see? Do you hear what I hear? Yeah, that could be it. I like this. We just get a push. We bottomed out here a little bit. Was looking at what was it, the 15 minute? Yeah, the 15 minute. The 15 minute is looking good. We got a green dot on the 15 minute and on the 4 hour. Likely same momentum possible, but we just got it. But see, the difference is that we had more volume here. We got to push in some volume. We have to have some volume, and I think that's if I were to be if I were to look at this at as Crypto Face would look at this, we need more volume. I could sound like Crypto Face. We need more volume. Just need a little bit more momentum. We need the bulls to take control. We need the bulls to take control. I know you guys seeing this as well. Are you seeing this? Well, what I see is that we almost got the stream to 20 likes. We just need one more, guys. We just need one more. One more. Yeah, I see an inverse head and shoulders too. We were marketing on the Pepe chart. We're looking at Pepe, and this is an inverse head and shoulders kind of happening on Pepe. Look at this. Look at that. And we already broke the neckline. We're breaking the neckline. And sometimes these inverse head and shoulders patterns won't swoop down too much. They'll actually start to go like this, and then they'll complete the other shoulder. So we could see something like this, and we're just gonna look. The structure's right there, as if you were going to pattern trade this. We just broke the neckline with the wick, but we're sustaining it with the green candle right after the wick instead of a red candle, because if you get a doji candle and then a red candle right next to it, kind of could signify a little bit more downturn. You get that with the green candle next to it, then that could mean we got some buy pressure, less sell pressure, and be looking fairly bullish for this particular entry on Pepe, but just in the market in general. Really good analysis, I guess, that I did have for ranging this box. I said, look, here's the 15-minute. I went into the 15-minute on Bitcoin, and I ranged it right here on the 200-day moving average where we just had resistance, and I pulled it down to right here. Before the price even went there, this is exact. I don't even think I could have done it better, because look, the damn price went right in the box, right there on the line, and that's exactly where it bounced. So can that be the true bounce point to bring us back up into the 200-day moving average? Or are we getting smashed like this? Or can we go like this? It's really at this point now, because we're sitting at resistance right here, but also at support. Here's the range. Here's the range. It's just, we gotta see how this is gonna play out. But either way, we're having fun. We're having fun. We're enjoying ourselves. Thank you so much for getting this stream to 20 likes. You guys are amazing. I need the... Where's the horn soundboard? There it is. Let's go. Headphone users wrecked. All right, we gotta save this soundboard. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. We really appreciate you very much. Yeah, we'll see you. We will see you later tonight. I think we want to do a live stream tonight. We haven't done a live stream at night in a little bit. We've been picking up some extra work and stuff, some gig work, Like I said, guys, I mean, if you already know, I'm an audio visual engineer, technician, so I'll run sound for shows, and I'll play shows, and I kind of, you know, I do a little bit of everything when it comes to all that stuff. So yeah, we've been, you know, the only, how do you get DCA cash, you know? But yeah, we'll be doing that. But then yeah, we're going to pop on a stream. We'd love to stream and hang out with you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks, Kenneth. Thanks, Perdita. Perdita. Am I saying that right? Perdita. Do I say that with like an accent? Perdita. Eric. Shout out to Eric. Shout out to Dave Digital. I haven't seen Dave Digital in a hot minute. So what is going on, Dave Digital? From the Casper crew. He's saying, I literally did scream Bitcoin out my window as I'm driving slowly down the road in my truck. Let's go. Awesome. Shout out to Batman. Shout out to Frank Pizzo, Tony Trump. And who else was in here today? Shout out to Darshan Baba and Jesse. Shout out to the Piper crew. Top is in. Shout out to everyone who's in here today. Shout out to Alexandra G. Thank you so much. Shout out to Squirrely. Oh, did I say it right? Yes, cool. I said it right. All right. Well, thank you so much. Yep, we'll see you guys later tonight. It'll probably be like around, it's going to be kind of late. So if it works for your time zone or time frame, it'll be at like 10 or 10:30, like between 10 or 10:30. And we're just going to stream for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, just kind of hang out, do a little like a market recap, and also to see how the Asian markets are going to be reacting to some of this price. Like, are they going to sustain it? They're going to dump it. What are they going to do? And so we'll have some fun, and maybe we'll play some crypto games or something. We'll play, I don't know. We'll pull up some things. We'll have some fun. But yeah, thank you guys very much, and we will see you on the next live stream. Bye-bye.